Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So we have another Listerine deal today, and look what printed out the register reward machine for me. So I'm going to talk about how I got this to print and just a couple details on this deal. And then I got these two Charmins. They're massive, 12 count 48. I got toilet paper for the rest of my life. Look at how big those rolls are. 98 cents for the two after a coupon and a little bit of Walgreens cash. Absolutely what it's about. We have some free Clorox. I would move on this deal stat because it's not going to last forever. And then we have a little bit of Meijer and some Rite Aid right there. A weather report for you guys. Kind of a cold one and a wet one out here today. And there is Sir Pumpkin. Pumpkin? He's busy. Want to say hi to everybody? Pumpkin. He's such a black cat, he's hard to see. Pumpkin. Oh, sorry, I guess you're busy. Anyhow, hope you guys are having a great day and staying dry if it's raining where you are. Okay, so the first store that we have is Walgreens. And we're gonna just clarify a couple of things. Yesterday I grabbed the Listerines that were 1.5 liters. And for whatever reason, this register reward rebate is only working with these smaller ones, and it has to be one of 3 types of mouth rinses. It can't be every single one. So this traditional cool mint, the fresh mint, and then the purple one that's regular, not the zero alcohol, because I believe zero alcohol is not part of this. It's those ones. And a lot of stores have this display, so you would just open up your camera and photograph the QR code, and it'll bring you right to the Walgreens website to say what is and what is not included. And also it was in an insert of last weekend that this promotion was taking place to buy $30 to get back this register reward. So what I did for this one, I got 5 of the same Cool Mints. This is my husband's favorite one, so on the back here too, this is the expiry date, and this doesn't expire till January of 2023. This is something that he will definitely use all of this by then. So I got 5 of these for $6.49, so that's $32.45. I had dollar coupons from the dental office, and they didn't have any restrictions on them, so I was able to use $5 coupons. So I had to pay $27.45 with my debit card out of pocket. Now the promotion for this is when you spend $10 on Listerine, you get back $5. And also spend $30, get back this guy, and then you can claim all of this for some sort of like gift card on the Listerine.com website as well. So it's like so many different stacks going all together. It's just crazy. So anyhow, guys, I paid with my debit card the $27.45. I got back $15 in Walgreens cash. So 3 times 5 is 15. I got back this $10 register reward, and then I'm gonna make that submission to the Listerine website, and hopefully I'll get a gift card or 2. But even if I don't get the Listerine gift card, it's $2.45 for the 5 or 49 cents per mouthwash, which is a crazy, crazy price. Let's just say your register reward didn't print, okay? What do? You can either ask the store manager to credit you this if they have the display at your store, or if you have the flyer from the insert, you can just show them that. Or alternatively, you can write to the Catalina company. I will leave a video linked at the very end on how to do that. Or you can call Walgreens customer service and ask for some help. Mine didn't print yesterday because I grabbed the 1.5 ounces and it wasn't triggering this. And somebody at customer service actually helped me. Hopefully that helps you guys out. And yeah, this is a really great deal. And I'm gonna think that this is taking place right until June the 30th, where the $10 register reward will print when you spend 30 bucks. I'm thinking that these will be really hard to find in pharmacy because couponers will go absolutely crazy for this because we never get Listerine for this cost ever. So I'm just loving this deal. And I've done it twice now, and because the out-of-pocket is so large, I'm calling it good because this is just for our household. We have 4 from yesterday, and then these 5, that is more than enough. So I am calling it a day on this. Next deal is courtesy of Sacktown Couponer over on Instagram. It is with these specific Charmin. So it has to be this blue one called Ultra Soft, the 12 mega rolls, which equals 48. So for whatever reason, I think these are supposed to ring up for $13.99, but when you bring them to the cash register, they're actually ringing up for $6.99. So buying 2 of them, that's $13.98. We have an 8 off of 2 digital coupon, so the new total will be $5.98. I threw in $5 in Walgreens cash, and I paid 98 cents out of pocket plus tax. So what a absolute terrific deal this is. I think I might have to send this video to Mrs. Empty Nester because I know this is her absolute favorite. And it is the smartest way to use a little bit of your Walgreens cash. And this is like a lot of toilet paper, guys. And this is the good quality stuff at Charmin. So loving this. Please make sure that that 8 off of 2 is the only one loaded. If you have the dollar ones loaded as well, you'll have to unclip them because you want the 8 off of 2 to come. Anyhow, just delighted with my haul today over at Walgreens, and I hope this brings some clarity with the Listerine deal and that you guys are going out there and getting this deal. Guys, now over at Dollar Tree, we have more of these dollar Cloroxes that are free with the Checkout 51 app. Checkout 51 is an app. Go to the App Store and download it. I don't have a promotion code or anything like that for you guys to use. They got rid of that, I think, about a year ago. So, these are exactly $1. We're at the Dollar Tree. Picking up 5 of them, that's $5. And then you'll go to the Checkout 51 app, see if your rebate is there. I could do it up to 5 times, so I clipped all 5, photographed my receipt, just like for IBOTTA, Checkout 51, Fetch, whatever. It's the same thing. You're just photographing a receipt, sending it to the app, and I got back my $5 within like 2 minutes. So it made all 5 of these completely for free, and it's not size specific, so I was able to do it. Now, last week when this happened, I think by Friday afternoon it was completely gone. So if Clorox is giving Checkout 51, say, 10,000 units of this rebate, after 10,000 it's gone. And if every couponer is going and maxing out the 4, as you can see, this is going to go pretty quickly. So I was really delighted to get more of this free Clorox. Over at Meijer, Meijer is a grocery store predominantly in the Midwest. These are $1.74, so for 2 of them, that's $3.48. We have an M-Perk, which is a 3 off of 2, so it would drop it down to 48 cents for the 2, or 24 cents per hot sauce. And yeah, really delighted with this, and this is a really nice looking hot sauce. I did this on my husband's store card today. Yesterday I did it on mine. So if you like hot sauce, this might be something to grab. Guys, last store that we have is Rite Aid, and like I was saying, this Dollar Days brand, lots of their sandwich bags, freezer bags, all this stuff, 25 cents, so it's 75% off. And as you can see, the cashier had to write it in with pen. I guess they ran out of ink. So I got 19 of these, just a variation of these 3. So this one's like what? A snack bag. We have the freezer storage, snack, and sandwich. So I think I got like 29 or 30 products, and I paid about $7. And I'll pay that all day, every day. This is just such a great thing, and I wasn't gonna wait. And then we have these little cotton swabs. I think Q-tip is like a brand name, so that's why it's called cotton swabs, even though it's like a Q-tip. And these are $1, but now they're $1.25. So these are 2 items that I passed up the last time I was in the store, and I just kept thinking about it, especially like 25 cents for this. I was like, oh, I really want want to go back and get it. So I went back today and got it. And for all of this, it was like $7 out the door. So it's okay to pay that because we earned so many bonus cash and different deals that it's just kind of like a great way to get like items that, you know, when's the last time we had a coupon deal for this? Like never. So I'm really delighted to get this. So as always, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.